Jai Hind guys, welcome back to the next video. So today I am going to unbox the Volvo 240 drift wagon. So let's see. Here Yokohama branding, Volvo 240 written. This car has the different wheels. The front wheel is white and the rear is the black on the edges. Here back details. Here is written slammed on the number plate, Volvo 240. Behind those there are two dogs also, so cute. Nice car, nice casting, green color. This is not the actual treasure hunt one, this is the normal one. Yes, here there is the sunroof. This is a wagon car, which means so much extended at the back. आगे यहाँ पे जो लाइट्स है वो प्लास्टिक की है. बम्पर, फ्रंट ग्रिल, दैट इज़ द वॉल्वो लोगो. यहाँ पे आप लोग को आप देख सकते हैं वॉल्वो लोगो है ग्रिल पे. यहाँ पे एयर इनटेक बना हुआ है. वेरी नाइस कार, very demanding, which is by type Hotwheels slammed. Yes, it is so freaking low at ground clearance, therefore it is called as slammed. Hotwheels slammed. Yes, nice casting guys. Hope you are liking the videos and subscribing the channel. More content coming guys, please help. Yeah, Volvo 240 drift wagon. Let's unbox it. Okay, here I am using the thinner.
A few minutes later.
Yes guys, I do think now our thinner, which is dried off completely, so we could just hop up and the car is ready to come out. Let's try. Yes, of course. Look, this is how an Hot Wheel is removed very carefully. That box, it is for protection. Yes, this is how the car looks now. Front, amazing. Upside, very detailed guys. Look, those fenders, those are modified actually. Those are extending out. Yes, very cool looking car it seems now. By that, look how the fender is popped outside. Here, this is the spoiler. Yes, this is the spoiler. Oh my god, there is no back window here. See, here there is no back window, no back glass there. Amazing. See, those are two cute puppies knitting. Yes, those are puppies. Hotwheels slammed, Volvo. Very detailed car guys. Very detailed. Comment me, do you like this car? आपको ये गाड़ी पसंद आई कि नहीं बताइए. चैनल को फॉलो कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. वाओ, आई विल ऑल्सो शेयर सम फोटोज़. इसके मैं कुछ फोटोज़ भी आप इस वीडियो में डाल दूंगा. आई लाइक द कार, रियली अ नाइस वन. लेट्स गिव इट अ ट्राई. रोल, स्मूथ, वेरी स्मूथ. Okay, thank you guys. I do think this one is the another level car in my collection, which is also a drift wagon. So yes, I like it very much. I'm going to take care of this one, guys. इस कार का एक और कलर आता है, which is red one. I don't have that, but my luck, I get this today. Cool car, guys. Cool car. Comment me down if you like, and keep supporting me, guys. I want to grow this channel with more and more videos. Okay, support me, subscribe, like, share. Okay, हम अगली बार फिर मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए जय हिंद,